Have you ever felt like you are doing too many things at once? Maybe you are a parent, a worker, and a student. In English, we have a special way to describe this feeling. We say you wear many hats. Today, we will learn why this idiom is so helpful. Imagine my friend Tom. His boss told him, "Tom, in this small office, you will need to wear many hats." The next day, Tom came to work wearing 5 actual hats. He looked very funny, but he was very confused. His boss laughed and said, "No, Tom. I meant you will have many different jobs and responsibilities here." So, what does it really mean? To wear many hats means to have many different roles or responsibilities. This phrase comes from a long time ago when people wore different hats for different jobs, like a baker or a soldier. Today, we use it to talk about people who do a lot of different things in their daily lives or at work. Let's look at Sarah. She owns a small cafe. She is the chef, the server, and the accountant. Sarah says, "I love my cafe, but I definitely wear many hats every single day." Now we see it correctly. Here are some examples. 1. At my new job, I wear many hats. This means you do many types of work. 2. As a mom, she wears many hats. She is a cook, a teacher, and a friend to her children. To remember this, think of a person changing their hat every time they start a new task. One person, many jobs. Did you know? This idiom became popular in the 1800s. Back then, your hat told everyone what your job was. It reflects how much we value being able to do many things. You will hear it often in movies and business news. Similar phrases include jack of all trades. This also means someone who can do many different things. An opposite would be a specialist. This is someone who only focuses on one specific job or skill. A common mistake is forgetting the S. Always say many hats because many means more than one. Also, don't use it when you are just talking about your clothes. It is only for roles and responsibilities. Quick quiz. What does wear many hats mean? A. Buying many hats. B. Having many jobs. Or C. Being cold? The answer is B. Great job. Now you can use this idiom to talk about your busy life. It makes your English sound very natural. Share your experience in the comments. If you enjoyed today's content, please like and subscribe or support us with super thanks. See you in the next video.